好了吗 Alexander, today I come to our factory 3D printing. You know here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 sets 3D machine, and the old machine technology is SLA, and like this one, it have finished about 6 o'clock PM 6, and here they are all working. You can see this one. Okay. 哎，把这个开一下。
这个。
对。
找另外一台机器把这里的。
哦，this one. Okay. SLA is the laser technology, you know, like this one. This is the material, resin and material. You see here, the blue color light is the laser, and he will add the resin on it, and he will laser a time, and this one need clear again, then laser again, and many times, about 3 to 4 hours, and finish the one pieces. And here, when we finish the products, and the worker will clean these parts. But today, you know, today is Saturday. It's weekend, so not many workers here. So I just introduce them. They have to clear the details like this one, like this. They have to cut this off because this is a waste, you know. This is produce workroom, and this is the first floor, and the second floor we could printing the color on it. Then the technology is the second floor as well. They use the software and check the shape and correct the time and the material and the price and something. Okay.